mess. You'll see over the next few pictures. Just doing a little short video here, just catching up where we're up to. We've got some primer coat on the floor. We had a nice couple of days, helped dry it out enough where we can get some paint on. But obviously because of that, anything that I did have in there, we've had to bring out into the main workshop. And there is now just, I can't move. I'm lucky to get this camera set up for you to do this. Another great bit of news, we've had an article published, printed in the Model Engineers Workshop Magazine. I don't remember, a while ago we did a tool review that I made a few years ago. That was in the spindle. The box was called Morphing of a Tool. Well, that's now in this month's, I think it's number 327. I'll run through that in the video of Model Engineers Workshop. So we've got that in there in print. So I'll just show you that and we'll go through it now.
What a mess. As you can see from this photograph, this is just stuff everywhere. Like I said, I was lucky to get a camera in position just to do the intro there. Yeah, everything is just everywhere, and the reason being is we've had to empty out the new bit of the extension from the little bits and pieces I did put in there, because obviously when we knocked through we had to move the stuff that was in the way of where the doorway is. There was a bench and other bits and pieces, so all that's had to just basically move into the new extension bit, just temporary. But now we're painting the floor, everything's coming to here, and this now you can see is the first coat of the primer coat on the floor. So yeah, whenever you're doing any concreting, leave it long to dry. I'll be honest with you, I would like to have left it a little bit longer, but we've had a good week, nice warm weather, drying winds, etc. So we've had the doors and windows open, helped dry it out. It seems to be okay. The problem you have is you get the moisture in the concrete. This can take 3-6 months depending on your weather condition and time of year. So you get the moisture between your concrete and your paint, so your paint just lifts, it doesn't stick. So what we use is a primer coat, so it's like an etch primer that goes on, and also the first coat of paint that I put on, just thinned it slightly. This particular paint uses white spirits for its thinners, so just thin it slightly so it helps it just to soak in and get a grip hold of anything else. And that's in the acid etch that they use, that gives like a rough finish to help it hold. Now, not saying it's foolproof, and if you just drop any like heavy machinery or scrape it along, yeah, it's going to lift it up, but it's the best chance it's going to get. So that's it there, ready for a second coat. So we'll give it a couple of days and then give it another coat and give it a good week time off. So moving on from that, the exciting news is this is the cover of this month's Engineers Workshop Magazine. I don't know if you can just notice there of somebody's familiar hand, maybe. No, it's just a little article on page, I think it's 28 it is. The morphing of a tool that we did a few months ago for the lathe spindle in the Boxford, showing the debt stop and the driving handle and the indexing. It's been published in this month's magazine. Really chuffed to see that in there. It's fantastic. So hopefully we can get a few more videos done of different bits and pieces, and hopefully we'll get a few articles written and get them in there for more people to see. So yeah, get yourself a copy. You know, it's a fantastic publication. Get subscribed. They've got a cracking forum. I'll put links to the websites and to my other video below, and we can get that done and hopefully get a few more articles printed and spread the word a bit more, hopefully.
So there we go. Like I said, a mess, but we're getting there. Like I say, a couple of days let that paint dry, we'll get the next coat on, then we'll give it a good week to fully harden off, fully cure, and then we can just start moving light stuff in there. I'm not going to go mad at the start. We're just going to move some stuff so at least I can move in here. I can get some more work done. And the Model Engineers Magazine, Workshop Magazine, yeah, so we did the article. Really chuffed to have that published. So get out there, go and get yourself a copy. It's a fantastic publication, loads of useful stuff in there. They have a nice forum. I'll put links, etc., in the description below. I'm going to link you back to our old Morphing the Tool video. So yeah, if anybody gets a copy and they see me and they want it signing, I'll sign it for free for you. No, only joking, it'll cost you. No, just go and get yourself a copy. It's a fantastic publication, and I'm just so proud to be in it. So as always, YouTubers, if you don't mind liking and subscribing to the channel, tell all your friends. Hopefully we can get this making it better and better. And until next time, it'll be right.